Top 5 Portable Electric Scalp Massagers 2025. Relax, refresh and rejuvenate. Experience ultimate scalp care with the best portable electric scalp massagers of 2025. These cordless, waterproof, and rechargeable devices soothe tension, stimulate hair growth, and improve blood circulation. With multiple massage modes, soft silic, number 1. Electric Scalp Massager, 2-in-1 Scalp Massager with Oil Applicator, Cordless Waterproof Hair Massage Brush for relaxation and hair growth. Purple plus pink. Experience ultimate relaxation and scalp care with the electric 2-in-1 Scalp Massager with Oil Applicator. Designed to improve scalp health and promote hair growth, this cordless waterproof brush gently massages while evenly applying essential oils or serums. The soft silicone bristles provide a soothing experience without tangling or pulling hair. Perfect for use in the shower or during your daily self-care routine, this purple plus pink massager is lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to clean. A must-have beauty tool for a healthier scalp and shinier hair. 2-in-1 function combines a soothing scalp massager and oil applicator for complete scalp care. Portable design with USB charging for convenient use anywhere. Safe for both wet and dry use, ideal for showers or daily scalp massages, stimulates scalp circulation and strengthens hair roots, evenly distributes oils or treatments for deep nourishment, gentle, non-slip, and perfect for all hair types. Number 2. Portable Electric Scalp Massager, rechargeable IPX7 waterproof heated scalp and body massager with 100 kneading nodes, 3 speeds, 2 massage modes, 8 claw. Designed for scalp, body and face cleaning. Transform your daily self-care routine with the portable electric heated scalp massager. Featuring 100 kneading nodes and a gentle heated function, it deeply massages the scalp to relieve stress, improve blood circulation, and promote healthier hair. With 3 adjustable speeds and 2 massage styles, you can tailor your massage to your preference, whether for relaxation, tension relief, or stimulating scalp health. The IPX7 waterproof design allows safe use in the shower, while the 8-claw multifunctional head is perfect for scalp, body, and face massage or cleansing. Lightweight, ergonomic, and USB rechargeable, this stylish silver massager is a versatile tool for home or travel, offering a spa-like experience anytime. 100 kneading nodes provides a deep, relaxing massage that stimulates blood circulation and relieves tension. Heated function gently warms the scalp for enhanced relaxation and improved hair health. 3 speed modes and 2 massage styles. Customize your massage. Number 3. Head and eye massager with heat, rechargeable headache relief and stress relief massage device for fatigue, relaxation, and rest. Perfect gift for mom and dad. Experience ultimate relaxation with the head and eye massager with heat, designed to relieve headaches, eye strain, and daily stress. Its gentle heat function soothes tired muscles while promoting blood circulation, and the adjustable massage modes allow a personalized massage for maximum comfort. Lightweight, portable, and USB rechargeable, this massager is perfect for home, office, or travel. Ideal for anyone seeking relief from fatigue, tension, or sleeplessness, it also makes a thoughtful and practical gift for mom, dad, or loved ones who deserve a moment of rest and relaxation. Headache and stress relief, targets head, eyes, and temples to reduce tension, headaches, and eye strain. Soothing heat function, provides gentle warmth to relax muscles and improve blood circulation. Rechargeable and portable. USB rechargeable, design for convenient use at home, office, or travel. Adjustable massage modes, multiple intensity levels for a customized and comfortable massage experience, promotes relaxation and rest, helps relieve fatigue, improve sleep quality. Number 4. Comfier Cordless Scalp Massager, hair growth and deep cleansing with 3 kneading modes, 8-claw waterproof head and body massager, cat head scratcher, perfect gift for women. Elevate your hair care and relaxation routine with the Comfier Cordless Scalp Massager. Designed with 3 kneading modes and 8 claw nodes, this versatile massager stimulates blood flow, promotes hair growth, and provides deep cleansing for a refreshed scalp. Its waterproof and cordless design allows convenient use in the shower or bath, while the gentle claw massage mimics the soothing touch of a cat, perfect for both scalp and body relaxation. Lightweight, portable, and rechargeable, it's an ideal gift for women seeking stress relief, hair care, and ultimate relaxation at home or on the go. 3 kneading modes, adjustable massage intensity to relax the scalp, stimulate hair growth, and relieve tension. Waterproof design, safe for use in the shower or bath for deep cleaning and scalp care. 8 claw head and body massager, gently massages scalp, head, and body while mimicking a cat's soothing touch. Cordless and rechargeable, convenient, portable. Designed for use at home, travel, or on the go, promotes hair health, stimulates blood. Number 5. Hita Scalp Massager, hair growth, soft silicone shampoo brush for exfoliation, dandruff removal and stress relief, wet and dry use for thick, thin, or curly hair. Transform your daily hair care routine with the Hita Scalp Massager Shampoo Brush. Designed to promote healthy hair growth and remove scalp buildup, this soft silicone brush gently exfoliates, reduces dandruff, and stimulates circulation for stronger, shinier hair. Ideal for wet or dry use, it works on all hair types, thick, thin, or curly, providing a relaxing massage that relieves stress and tension. Lightweight, ergonomic, and easy to use, this black scalp massager is the perfect addition to your hair care and self-care routine, promotes hair growth, stimulates scalp blood circulation to strengthen roots and encourage healthy hair growth. Soft silicone bristles, gentle yet effective for exfoliating the scalp, removing dandruff, and reducing buildup. Wet and dry use, perfect for use with shampoo, conditioner, or as a dry scalp massager. Stress relief and relaxation, provides a soothing massage to relieve tension and